So I'm doing a Callaloo pod today, guys, in a different way. Yep, eating up some Callaloo to help build my blood count. So I'm gonna add some pumpkin along with some ripe plantain and cook this Callaloo. So here I have some plantains that are chopped, some carrots, some bell peppers. I have a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. This is onion and garlic. Onions and the bell peppers along with the pumpkin. First, so guys, earlier on in the video I stated that I was putting the carrots into the pot. That was a mistake. That should be I was putting the pumpkin into the pot. So after adding the pumpkin and the seasoning to the callaloo, I will add some black pepper and a pinch of salt, not much salt. You can add your salt according to your taste. After adding salt and black pepper, I will stir. After stirring, I will add the plantains. These are ripe plantains that are diced. After adding the plantains, I will stir them in. Then I will cover the pot and allow to steam for a couple minutes. So I'm steaming my callaloo, my pumpkin, and my plantain. Don't let the plantain stay at the edge, it will burn. It will stick to the edge and burn. Remember, ripe plantains can eat raw, so it does not need much cooking. Just allowing it to be a bit tender. Yep. I've never tried it. This is my recipe. I haven't seen anybody do it. As I said, guys, before, I've never tried this dish. I've never seen it done before. However, just want to make the callaloo taste a bit different, do it in a different style. I decided to try it with plantains. Plantains never fail because it is naturally sweet. However, I want to build my blood count, so I am trying to eat more callaloo. So you might see more callaloo dish since it is packed with iron. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.